Sesa Sterlite, the numbers are out. PAT at 1620 versus the poll of 1540. So that seems to be better than estimates, but you never know with Sesa Sterlite whether it's essentially an operating performance that has come into play or whether there are extraordinaries out there. Sales were expected to be at 19,200. We'll just get the number going. I don't know what the top line number from Sesa Sterlite is, but the bottom line is slightly or marginally above estimates. So just wait for the top line number as well. By the way, YOY comparison, of course, is not possible in Sesa Sterlite there. Sales too above estimates. So probably that has led to the PAT going up more than what we were expecting. So at 1540 crores, operating margin seen at 36%, and I don't think there'll be too much of a deviation on that. But Sesa is, well, probably not got too much to do in terms of numbers as opposed to a lot of other things coming into play for that. But yeah, at par, maybe marginally above estimates actually the numbers. So they've done well for the quarter. Gargi Johnson with a quick take out there. And Gargi, I was looking at the estimates. They've come in both on the top line and the bottom line slightly above what we were working with.
That's right, it is slightly above what we were estimating, just about 1550 crore kind of a number that the street was working with on the net profit levels, but they have given a pretty decent number. 1621 crores is what they've posted. We're of course comparing it on a quarter-on-quarter basis because last year's numbers of course don't reflect the merger between Sesa and Sterlite. So on the basis of that too, there has been a slight decline, but like we mentioned, there was pressure coming in for the metals business as well as the oil and gas, as well as the iron ore business, in fact, which has just been deteriorating. So no revenues really coming in on that front. But talk about the net sales numbers, which has been almost 20,784 crores. That's much better than what we had estimated. Over 19,000 crores was the number that the street was working with. Let's talk about the metals business. If you look at only the aluminium and the zinc business, we had seen volumes coming down. We had also seen realizations being low because LME prices have gone down. That's impacted the number this time around. If you compare it at least with the last year's levels, if you look at the net, the operating margin, that has been close to 32.5%. We estimated at least 35%. So there has been a slight bit of a miss if you look at that, and there has been a loss of almost 30 crore rupees on the forex, which is also probably impacting the numbers this time around. Look at the other income too, almost 763 crores that they've posted. That's higher, if you compare it with quarter on quarter or on a year-on-year basis. So, but overall the numbers have been pretty decent.